Okay, let's see if we will get the same problem of poor quality crap. I will never understand the bitrate thing. It's funny because I'm a programmer and I should understand it, but truly understand it is a different subject. Welcome back to everyone. Trying to work. So let's try to focus on work. So let me empty my head first, because emptying my head is a big part of working, because I'm always thinking, overthinking and thinking and shooting and thinking. I don't know how much did I work on Friday. Great. The last week is a mess. With being sick for a few days on this day, on Sunday, and then sleep issues, and then couldn't sleep for 2 days here, and half of this day. Then I slept like a wall and just. Wait, when did I? Anyway, I'm in a complete different worlds the last 2 weeks, and yet I'm struggling to work. I worked on Friday, but I cannot estimate how much. Because whenever I get in pain, in a fucking pain, because of different reasons, I start working without turning on the timer, and then I don't count, and I always feel lazy. The good news is I keep walking every day and exercise. So even though it makes me more tired and more want to sleep like now, so I felt like I want to sleep. That's why I started the stream to force me to work. But I drank like 3 soda cans, and I'm going to drink a fourth one later on. I drink coffee, I drink water, and I'm going to visit the bathroom a lot. So just earlier warning. One of the biggest issue of my second screen is always a mess. No, that's not the biggest issue. One of the biggest issue I have is focus. It's similar to when I start working on the cutscenes. It took me forever to close the Steam. It took me forever. I can't close it because so the dungeon is working behind the scene. Anyway, it took me forever to make a way to make the efficient tools to work on the cutscenes much efficient way, because before I used to use a lot of tabs, these info, I shouldn't show half of these info. Let me close stuff. No, this info is alright. What's wrong with me? It's just part of scripts, encrypted scripts. I mean, it's the intermediate level of data that the system see when it do the script, so it's fine. So it's fine. Anyway. And that's what made me to create the micro builder, which actually I'm using now to make the every kinds of scripts for my game engine. The mouse scrolling, yeah, it's fucked up, and the mouse dragging is fucked up as well. Even though I cleaned it a little bit and it became a little bit better, but still it's fucked up. I need to take the whole mouse apart and try to clean the whole thing. But I won't be able to put it back. Anyway, wait. So yeah, I'm not happy with my quest system. That's why on Friday I was like, you know what's good? Let's try to teach someone else how the system work, and start trying to pick up what the heck is going on. So I made this document, and actually it gave me a few ideas on how to improve it later on, to add more stuff to it, but it didn't give me the solution. So the best way in this case is just to treat it as any kind of problems I had before with big systems. Just use this crap till you figure out a better way to do it. So yeah, I'm not a very good software engineer, I guess. So, what we were working on. So I've been working on adding macros to my system. And the last macro, actually I haven't finished or tested the whole thing. I made all the attributes can hold an optional string value, and I never test that. And no, don't fall, you fucking. Okay. I need to bring a new trash bag. I just. Yeah, I tossed it today. Yeah. Today I just tossed a lot of trash. No, it was yesterday. Where are we? Trash, yeah. So we have two micros that never been tested. The green one means it need testing. I never test the crap. And this one, I'm not sure if I should add a micro for internal script. No particular reason actually, but internal scripts are scripts called inside the objects, not as a shared function, shared script. So they uniquely, by having their own entities sent inside the script caller action. I need to focus for real. So that's why I started string to start making noises in the front of the microphone. No, because I'm like this for more than a month. And for the God's sake, I need to focus because this should be done long ago. But see, it's an infinite soup. Soup. Yeah, I need soup. Infinite loop. Why did I make this one? Oh yeah, because I want to change the variable of few things, including let's start the timer. So when I start the fucking timer, that's mean that now I'm working. Now I'm doing stuff. So let's do stuff. So in the William State, we have we have visibility. For now, we can only have it visible. In the story, if she's going to show up in different places, we will need to add a variable to show where the heck she is. But here I made some kind of cutscene that placeholder, but let's give her the attribute. Is it the good name for the variable first talk? Is it should be that like a counter talk? First talk counter. Just to hate yourself more. Actually adding a stir value as a tag made attributes way much more complicated. I mean, in a good way. It gave a lot of options to treat the variables. For example, if you took to the character 5 times in the first time, and later on you want to add another counter, but not in the first time, second time. So instead of saying first talk counter, I can make it talk counter. Did I make it change the name? I don't think so, because it's part of dictionary, of a part of a dictionary. And changing the base and max is easy, but yeah, I didn't program delete. Oh, because I changed how the attributes are saved. Did I program delete? Good. Don't tell me, because of that error, disconnect the event handler. It seems so. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't see. Yeah, fix both delete and attribute. I thought I fixed that. Close, close. I don't want even to save. And let's go to script wizard, to the campaign. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me take a link and send it to my. I don't think he's on. Where can I take the link? No, don't exist stream. What have they done to this page? Before I can click on this and see the setting and stuff, like what the hell? Okay, from here, backup server, stream URL, yes, this one, copy. Okay, analytic. In Discord, let's send it to my... Even though he's not awake, but no problem. Okay, focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, focus. Let's get this a little bit down on the second screen. Delete seems screwed up. Why? Why is that? So when you go to the quest attribute, where are we? Oh yeah, attribute. Figured. You see this screwed one? I already fixed this problem, but I don't know if I have a lot of event handler, does Visual Studio start to screw up? I mean, look at that. 2,600 lines of event handlers, because this is a huge detailed system that builds everything that the campaign need. So yeah, and it handled the dialogues as well. So yeah, this one, the whole thing is crashed. Only this part is working, and I'm thinking to remove this tab and have this part somewhere in the map editor. Actually, I already have a small part of it brought to there, but yeah, this is an old code that's still useful, but need to be replaced. Why am I talking about the map editor? I should work. Okay, so the best way to trick this sucker is to delete the sucker. Actually, maybe that's why he's not happy with it. And then Cricket says, actually use the old one. It's almost like it forgot it has one and generated a new one for some reason. And not only that, it's for both save and delete. I should fix both of them. See, it exists in here. So let me check the alright, seems fine. Seems fine. Oh, the save is working. Okay, can we work on this stupid thing? Let's take a look. Loading the game file, loading the campaign is the pain because we have a lot of conversation and dialogues. So it takes much longer in here to construct everything. I was thinking to load the dialogue and conversations only when you edit them for the first time. No, let's make it one chunky load and get over it. I don't want to see myself working on more than one DLCs in the future. One campaign is enough. It just, man. So talk counter and started with 0 and started with 5. Oh, you made a mistake. You shouldn't add spaces in between. What if I click add? Will it accept? None. These are not secured. Oops. So I can enter letters. Yep, these are not secured. Congratulations. I could do the all securing things, the event handlers, or I was thinking to use the counter text thing. I might do that, yeah. So, yeah, let's try to do it when we close the thing. Secure attribute base and max and quest. Secure script wizard. Should be called campaign wizard. Anyway, the quest log. Make them accept only integers or byte. I believe integers, and I don't have attributes that accept long or int64. Maybe in the future I will make big attributes, but for now we don't. I'm glad I add the string to them. See, 11 minutes to add one attribute. I mean, and I didn't add it actually. Now I add it. What's next? I already done this, but let me check. 103. Save. Dialogue. Computer space. Free fun. Actually, I was working on it. This is the one, but yeah. Yep. So we need to add a script to change the stir value of visibility into non-visible. So this one will become 0. So macros load related to the quest, change stir value, not change quest data. Yeah, so it's side. Okay. Actually, so William State. William State in which tree? Yeah, okay, main. Main. Illinois State. Yeah. Fuck. This will assign the whole attribute, which is easier than to change the base or change the base and max. Actually, in the attribute, there are functions that make a save increments. It's primitive because attributes is one of these launch classes. The first ever thing I done when I made the engine, and it didn't change since. It even belongs to the job classes because they were designed to be part of the job classes, and yeah, they are used everywhere now. So they are kind of like my basic variable in the engine, and I don't know. I kill myself when I make them. Yeah. Oh God. Because I extra text. I made them interactive with the GUI system, and when I want something to be interactive with the GUI system, I made an interface for that just to make the life more miserable and more complicated. Alright. Shouldn't this be static? Oh, it's a function. What the hell? Kinda weird, but God. Yeah, it should be static somehow. But forget about this shit now. I mean, I could make a dictionary with types of dialogue updaters, which are actions, and give them names, and one of them is set only base attribute, but all of this doesn't matter. Because I feel I want to go to sleep. Oh yeah, here. What? Um, hmm. Oh no, this is different than what I was trying. This is a very old idea that I never finished. Okay. I can't even click on the right thing I want to click on. So maybe they are exist only in test 2, which I butchered recently and it doesn't work at all. But I want to go and take a look. Because I'm curious what the heck I was talking about. And here another 10 minutes wasted. Oh, this is a quest MC. Okay. This is a menu component I add to. It's a user interface for the quests. Is exceed, my friend. Ah, use it for the jump. Okay, so it stopped at 6. Okay. Yeah, I don't like the whole thing, the active condition, the way how I done it. I mean, it's advanced when I start. This is the first system ever I made for the stupid engine, and when for the stupid engine 2.0, and it has a lot of crap. It has a lot of crap. It needs complete refactor. I mean, I got an idea and it's working, but to make a character work, so you need to write all this code as a hard code. It's not appealing anymore. It's not. I mean, the engine can do anything like that, but it's not big different than my old style of coding when I code everything. So yeah, this have to be refactored. This have to be done in a different way. Anyway, so exceed. So I was thinking about this crap, and I thought it's part of the tribute, which should be, but no, it's part of the game code. So okay, where were we? Only God knows. So I was going to only increment actually in the test 1 I used to use functions that increment that use inside these functions either restricted or not. So okay, that's a very old thing when I was working on Walker. Okay. So this thing will replace the whole attribute, and I don't like it. And I don't want to make 1 billion function as well. Hmm. Hmm. So I might done this and then I was just like, delete it. I don't know, but I might use the setter and getter to do that. No. Hmm. Unfortunately, I cannot load test 2 to see how the medic worked. I could salvage the data and decrypt it, but I don't want to do that in front of the camera because it might be what do you call it, a custom made function when I did that. Actually, the old GUI INI show everything, not like shared functions. I don't know why I'm doing this because I'm trying to figure out what did I do to do it in the right way, at least at that time, and then ignore it and do it in the way that I'm thinking about now. This is what's called confused. Too many data, too many options, too many info. Uh, Mouse, please work. Don't to fuck with me. Why there is no item in between? You telling me that? Yeah. Fuck that. Jesus Christ. I hate my mouse. Yeah. I don't know why there's no items. Wait, here it is. Why didn't I see it before? I don't see the medic anywhere, and I cannot think. Can't think. My thinking is destroyed. Applying stream strategies to increase the focus has failed miserably. Okay, try to focus. What we do is go here, make a function. Easy, right? I mean, right? Anyway. I'm sure I made this function before, but it's not here. Why? Did I put it in a stupid place like a skills or something? Maybe it's in the job, but I don't doubt that. Yeah, this code is a dinosaur. So, yeah. Yeah. Do I want to do it for the base or for the max, or should I make a flag to set base on max? I'm fucking sure I done it. Maybe it was in test 1. But why it's not a part of the engine? Oh yeah, because test 1, the engine and the game were one project. Silly you. Huh. Then why didn't I salvage that code? I don't know. But what should we call it? Increment is a very long word. And I hate long words that I cannot spell. Because I add A's everywhere in them. Base. Focus. For God's sake, focus. Who is restricted? Because I done something exactly look like this. And I even add another flag called exceed, where you can, for example, wanna make a healing skill, that heal over the maximum. So something like this. If is base, we do all the condition, else max so we could use this for leveling up, for example increasing the maximum amount of stupid thing. And this thing is suggesting to me screen current bitrate 0 is lower than the recommended bitrate. I don't know what he's talking about, but anyway. In here, at base is equal is exceed. Oops. Oh, frick. Frick. This one only calculate the current value. Did I close test 2? Yes, I did close test 2. Just copy the condition, damn it. Oh, give me a break! Okay, calm down. I usually have variables with capital, that's why I'm confusing here. I wanna cry. I know. I just bear with me, will you? Bear with me. Max. But all of that doesn't matter if it can exceed. So I hate myself now. Because we need not as exceed. So can I do that? I never do that. I never can try exceed or. This is stupid. This is stupid. This is. I can remove the last parentheses, but why? It will decrease the beauty of this crap. Or make all of the whole thing one line, like removing these lines. Okay, can you focus? So we get increment fucking stupid good for nothing function. Let's make make a function in attribute that increment. Frick. What if I wanted to decrement? If it decrement, instead of using restricted and greater, we can use for 0. So maybe yeah, add it to the make a function variable that increment the base max value. It's untested, so it's green. Make an action or tag, I call it. It's my own. Ouch! Fuck! I turn my hand. God. Make a tag. It's a shortcut for tag action, which is shortcut for my stupid. Do I over-explain everything? Make a tag for the above, for the attribute increment, and then make a micro. Where do I save all the trash? Usually I add the shared functions in their respectful places. I wonder if skills have one. Yeah, kinda no. Because skills is still a very primitive system that I never update, never use, never concentrate my just. Wow. What's going on here? Why these are not static? So you see, I never use the system. I never. Shouldn't these be? What the hell's going on here? So yeah, later on each skill have all of this. This doesn't make sense. So it need a lot of work. Just like how I'm working on the quest system now. Well, recently I moved some of the functions to the map and some of them to the objects from the shared functions. But I can build them temporaries in here and then move them later. Yeah, I need to make it try catch in here to make the game more stable for now. Because the game keep crashing because of the pipelines and the music for some reason. So I even added timer for fading and stuff, but yeah, it's a little bit fucked up and I need to work on it. Mouse scroll, you're killing me. Why these don't exist in the campaign section? I don't know. I mean I could move them. Maybe editing them in here and looking at all related is easier. Show title. It's a generic system, not a game system. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Let's save time for future games. Hello. Wait, this is an inner function, an inner script. Do you know, I don't remember the last time I looked into the faction code. Now I don't want to even think about looking at it because that will be horrifying. Trigger. Soon, my friend, soon we will look into you. Trigger and quest trigger axe. They should be hand to hand. I don't have an effect class, do I? They exist in both shared functions and the game I effect related, but I don't have a class for that. Actually, no, I do. I don't have an effect data class. I could take all of this crap and put it in the initialize in there. Yeah, definitely the mouse need to be killed. It doesn't have an initialize, it has reinitialize. But not like... okay. Sometimes I feel I'm blessed because my work is fun. I mean, I'm doing nothing. I'm just staring at the screen. Isn't that easy? Anyway, yeah, I've been reading a lot of art comments, and it reminds me of a lot of artists who tell me drawing hands are hard, drawing faces are hard, drawing background. And now recently, drawing backgrounds is hard. It kind of negatively affected me. Are you crazy? You want to draw the whole game as an American, all vintage? All vintage. Well, that's a redundancy. It's just like, it's so hard and impossible to do. Okay, it's possible. Give me a break. I mean, my work is not impossible. I mean, you just keep digging at it. But no! Too hard! You're asking for the... Okay. So, let's see. I'm not comfortable to add it in the middle of nowhere, and I'm not going to put it inside faction code or section. And the faction, I sooner or later I'll look into it, and when I look into it, I might need some painkiller to look into it. Because I'm sure it's okay. Wait a second. Where did I have the change quest data? But that's data, not the attribute. This is general attribute. Frick. Should be not in there. Okay. So can call it the same name of the function, but it's better to why I'm moving the mouse like an idiot. It's better to start with what I want to change as a script. So and value of v is equal to what? Why it has x? Because it's an old fucking code. I didn't change a lot. Shouldn't the exceed be first? It shouldn't be is restricted like the by the way, I'm using is restricted wrong. And for some reason I feel I don't need it now. For some reason, I don't know. Because wow. Now I have a headache. Wow. Okay. When are you going to use is restricted? It's weird. Why do I have a condition like this? I don't know. I really don't know. But anyway, let's go back. Is false? Is x false? Is base true? Okay. Lazy sucker. I'm looking into a code that check if it's empty or not because I'm too lazy to write the code. Frick me, man. Frick me. What the hell? I'm trying to scroll the code while trying to remember when was the last time I did that, and the last time I did that was in the background. And I'm not sure. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, this is the list, the whole list. Okay. 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 I don't believe it. What was the script name? Hello. That's what I want to steal. But this one returned true. I don't want it to return true. Where is this code? See, it's on the map class. But I couldn't figure out where did I put it. It should be in the initialized state, but yeah, I just yeah. Anyway, bye. Um. 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 Space is equal to pool of token. And now we copy this. It's restricted. Value. And then freaking idiot. You did Tribute exists everywhere, and unless if you are going to make a compact like script that fire script to do the fucking thing, like this is part of the script internal this is part of the attribute internal scripts, which Tribute doesn't has internal scripts today. Nope. And this is not a real interpreter. If it is a real interpreter, that will be an easy fix. But building the real interpreter to connect with the engine is not an easy fix. That's why we're doing all the loops in here. And my battery is like, not my battery, my head is so fucking confused. So, I really hate to do this, but, as I said, I can make a function that accepts a script that will do this. Because we have more than one way to do a script. I mean, to hold an attribute. Skills have attributes. Quests have attributes. Quest parties, bards have attributes. Objects, factions in general have attributes. Fire have attributes. Creatures have attributes. Objects have attributes. Jobs have attributes. So, this will be really weird if I do that. What I'm thinking is to make a function that accept the script as a function, not an action, a function, and just call increment attack, increment at. So what we're going to do, yeah, I'm going to do that, fuck it. Oh, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. I never done this before yet in my engine, but this is a cool way to make it easier for shared kind of entities to be called by using scripts as becoming like and instead of making longer version of scripts. But wait, this one separated by space. Well, it doesn't matter. I just need to be careful when I send a part to it. So V is space is res is out. So now we need to make a different one in the quest area. Whatever. Increment. This Great. Wait, this is quest QBFS QBFID. Oh fuck me, this is because I'm changing the data of the profile now. It's a different infrastructure, a different build, a different crap. Fine. Fuck me, man. What the hell? We need the quest name. Quest name. I mean, it's similar to this, right? I mean, look at this. Oh, I built up a function to do that. Okay. This, you see? This fudge. Let me just copy the whole thing. sure I can do a function in here because you will keep doing this over and over and over and over and over, and you might want other things to call the changes. And because attributes a natural thing to be weak with, maybe you want to make a functions in here first. I'm afraid I'm doing too complicated crap, and that's the problem. I mean, having simple things to have, overriding functions, overloading, I mean, and to have one internal and one external, and you want to do it a third time, and just to manipulate the attributes which are not. God. So yeah, I might do that. So I'll take a break. First break. This is the draggiest hour ever I done, and do a function to increment the attribute of the quest data. Actually do two functions, internally and externally. Correct. Be right back. figured I would be late. Damn it. I will need some water and be right back. Oh, schluck. I brought hot chocolates with me, the powder at least, and it will become a hot chocolate drink in a few seconds. Behold, the magic of technology and civilization and something. Hot chocolate. Alright. Let's get the cell phone a little bit far so it doesn't catch the grease of the chocolate. And let's pump on the microphone to make as much amount of noise as possible. And let's take a breather after all of that. So let's start working. Why does this work? I need to hold it. I kinda hate it, to be honest, to have 6 different functions that only change the attributes. Like, what the hell? What to do? I don't want to replace the whole attribute every time. I want to increment the attribute half of the time. I want to check or change the serve value some of the time. Or a lot of times, actually. So, what to do? Should I make one function to change everything even though I don't want to change everything? No, that would be horrible. And later on, I need to use formulas and use percentages. But not for requests, of course. So this should be it, but I need to make a micronex. When I stop drinking my soda. Oops. Cheating, but what to do? So now, excuse me. Frick. Do I have frick? Should I? Should I add these script sections to Williams Ordeal? Because the Williams Ordeals ones are related to cutscenes. It's funny that whole section is for the cutscenes only. Yeah, it's huge and it's only for the cutscenes. Because frick. I want to keep a general one now. And I don't want to destroy the general one. So I'm going to keep one for Williams audio general scripts. Oh. But the general one is not complete. Yeah. Where did I save the general? It should be in the game I, to be honest. I'm thinking to remove the game I as an interface someday and make it non-interfaceable will. It's called will. So what we're going to do, we're going to make another save and call it WO scripts. Oh, general scripts actually. And this one will have the quest of the main story, real estate, doesn't matter, and this one will be will. So we will save this one, and main story, give it a space, actually William State will, save this one. Save this one. So every time I want to make a new one, I don't need to pick them. They already picked for me, like William State. But it's oh, why it's not this one not picked? It should pick it, no? I don't remember which part of code I need to do the change things, but anyway, let's go to increments. Now I hate myself. This one increment doesn't decrement. I mean, doesn't set. Excuse me. This one set everything. This one increment. But actually I need something to only set into 0 or 1. I don't believe myself. I don't believe myself. I don't believe myself. I don't believe myself. We're going to make a set. 2 functions. Just do it and shut up. Do it and shut up. Do it and fucking shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Don't overthink. Just do it. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Okay. But this is the base, not the max. Fuck it. Just leave it. Okay, let's do the same thing. We add we add here another one. I don't believe this shit. I really don't believe this shit, but what to do? Maybe later on I will make it to accept something to make it to make it fuck me. Yeah, to make it fuck me. Anyway, let's make a micro. Oh, you. Alright. Can I work now? Ha! Never. Never. I mean, work on the game itself, but anyway. Save on general. I need to go and check why the code doesn't reload the quest. I might mess something up because other aspects in the effects and conversation effects, they load successfully when they are found, but for some reason it doesn't in here. Because this is a component quest 3 and the quest 3 on I see why, okay. Actually, let's save it anyway. Let's save it anyway. Yeah, I need to reselect the 3 of them every time, which is annoying. And I notice it doesn't even boot well in here. Oh. What's going on? I wish if I can focus a little bit. Anyway. Well. Oh yeah. A tribute called Invisible? It will be hard to make a combo box for tributes because attributes can exist in different places as scripts can be written for different targets. And later on I'll make like massive changes for stuff so it doesn't have a single target and stuff like that, so like explosions affect more than one target, so yeah, 0. This thing is still fucked up. Great. I thought I fixed this problem. Oh. So this is to make her invisible, 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 invisible. Okay. Actually, I just did that, but whatever. We just copy paste. Oh yeah. We need to register B1 as the current point. So current stop, place. Okay. here I can make symbols for the act and the stop. So I've had to use two different variables. Or to use one variable with a combo stop value, like so in here we need to change the value for main state current stop place computer space B1. There's a problem. Oh yeah, I fixed that. Okay. That the segment timers depends on columns for the segments. So seeing a segment inside another script will screw it up, but I solve it by checking if the next immediate letter is a number, and scripts can never start as a number. Then it consider it part of the script, so it ignore it and go to the next. So yeah, I went around that. But it still make me itch every time I use that. So anyway, yeah. I still use the notepad for making scripts when they are huge, which I might need to find a way to go around that, because okay. So in the conversation 103, pray, save, replace. Did I forgot somewhere? I should not only say, hey, this is oh, set creature visibility. Okay. Pray. Do you 51? Pray. Let's go. I need to fix the profiles as well. Because I screwed up how I update how the no, it's the same. I update how the profile load and save the quest data. It became a little bit more complicated. So this should crash. Even this one crash. What did I do? Let me load a different one that I never used. I'm going to check part of the code that I might don't want to show. I might. So, oh, it worked. Wait, why it worked? Now that's more confusing. Let's me load it again. I thought it will crash actually. Yeah, now it crashed. Okay. So now I feel dizzy and I want to go to sleep. Damn it. Actually, I'm feeling dizzy like since the beginning, but it's getting worse. Oh man, I don't want to fix this issue. Fuck. Yeah, solving this will take some time, and I don't want to show any of these marks on the camera, so you will enjoy yourself staring at the blank for a while. What went wrong? That's the first question. I wish if this, yeah, now everything will annoys me. So I need to stop cursing too. I see. Um, hmm, hmm. Yes. Okay. Oh wait. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Okay. Oh wait the fuck. Ah, okay, okay, okay. Backtrack a little. It should be, should be what? BF. Okay. Yeah. No, fuck off. Okay, where is that? I didn't see it. I wanna run away and kill everything in my way and then return and drink some Java and spit on C sharp and oh frick. Focus. I don't care about the stream anymore. Just yeah, forget about the stream. I really don't want to stream a blank screen, but whatever. Solve the problem. I don't want to end it, and I don't want to stay here forever. It's killing me. It's dead, Jim. It's dead. Yeah. Oh, the stupid fucking mouse scroll. I thought I was reading into a section, I was reading the previous section. And now it's just like... Yeah, this part is totally... Oh, okay, 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 okay. Now that's the mistake. This is the mistake. I did not load it in the correct way. So here we finish this. And then ah, I see. I see. This is retarded. This is retarded. This is really retarded. I should be ashamed of myself by doing this. So this one, let me add to do because I will forget immediately. To do. Oh, really? I might delete all the profiles and start over or something, but no. Be patient, change them manually, slowly, one by one, or at least one, and work on it. So here, because I believe I didn't save them, and but if I didn't save them, how the loading is working? Did I not click on exit the game? Didn't it save the profile? I don't know. Should save. No, no, it should save the profile. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Calm down. What I was going to do. Are you sure? I don't know. Let's just do it. Oh wow. Fuck me. Do it. Do it. Just fuck it. Fuck it. Do, and fuck. Do and fuck. Do and fuck. What am I saying? Anyway. Um, this should fix the problem, but it won't. Let's see. I don't know it will fix the problem of loading. Let's take a look. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. DF. Nah. Okay. Okay. I don't know if this is what should work or not, but yeah. Yeah. I don't know if it will crash again or not, but we will see. We will see. Let's return back to the real world. Yeah, I need to make these invisibles and show them when the right time comes. For some fucking reason, I don't see the invisible checkbox in here for some reason in the map editor. But I'm sure I have one before. So I'm not sure what's going on here. It's kind of weird. Why I don't have the invisibility thing. So now, if I go to the computer space and reach the first break, it should send me to the room, and Ru'ya should be invisible, but I won't be able to test that till I make a way to move to this room after I reach the break. What the hell? Okay, this is scary because I might fucked up something. Oh yeah, I'm turning the sound off because every time, because for some reason I'm too lazy to. Oh man, what just happened? The camera position is wrong. It shows you how easily to fuck up everything else. I know. Everything will be fucked up because the camera position is wrong for some reason. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Seeing the game in a different perspective. Yeah, I didn't change the room, I just keep changing the background, so because the position is wrong, everything will be wrong. I don't remember if this is the real Nolan flat or not. I made a lot of research trying to get the real things. Like taking the images of the real branches of the places. So I might try to find Nolan apartment. So for example, this is the Utah State University, and I tried to get an image that exists in that era. And this is a different university, University of Utah. And this is an image of it. Did the camera try to go to the creature place? No, the error started before I even moved to here. When timer showed on the top, I knew there's something fucked up. So I don't know what happened. Actually, I might go to here. No, not this program. Here. Not this one either. And check the error log. Oh boy. Oh boy. We have actually several issues, not only one. Oh boy. Wait. My battery is dying, and I'm dying, and everyone is dying. Uh, oh. Oh, there's no volume state. No. No, bad cookie. I should set side quest. This one. That's why it's generate error. No problem, no problem. So, it should still work. So let's see. And by the way, I'm not sure how to prevent clumping after the main background if you move outside of the map. I have no clue why it behaves like this. And not sure how change the clump. Even, well, the main draw thing. Maybe if I change the setting of this right branch somewhere in here. Here. If I can set the clump, but actually I played before with that long ago when I had this issue. And I'm not done with Nolan yet, yeah. I believe we are almost done. It's 103, so if you counted how many conversation dialogue has passed. Yep. And crash. Oh man, what the hell happened? It's not main. Wait. Yeah, it's not main story anymore because it's WO main story. Where is this code? We'll fire this sucker. Me. Me, 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 me. I cannot read. Anyway. Hello. Ready for the full test again? What the hell happened? Why the music didn't fade? The music should fade in, but oh well. I'll see what the heck is going on later on. This was supposed to be on the same map, but I made changes and made a different map. Yeah. Some issues might get expected. Yeah, there's something is going on here. Oh, because the map changed. I need to check some of the stuff. Anyway. Yeah, I need to check what the fudge has happened here. But yeah, fun. We need to do all of things again. At least I don't need to consider how the data has crashed. I like it when they laugh after I say something. It almost sounds like a punchline. No, I don't. Anyway. Why am I so freaking exhausted? I don't know. Because I'm forcing myself to work. Yeah, after this test, if it works or not, I'm going to call it a day. Maybe I will call it a stream at least. I will take a walk, pray because almost pray time, and take a break. Play 7 days to die, whatever. I don't know. I will do something. Then, usually, if I took a heavy break and start playing stuff, usually I don't return to work. But we will try. We will try. I mean, usually 99.9% I don't return to work. If I play something that um, yeah, the whole cutscene is made without a micro builder. So oh god. I need to fix a lot of issues. Beside the camera position now, the camera position is one issue. That's why all the backgrounds look like this. So I'm not too worried about this shit. This I have no clue why it froze. It shouldn't freeze. It should have a counter. So I definitely wrote the wrong script to create the timer. It doesn't increment. I don't know why. Here should be a generic character. I add 3 images that can be in front of the everything except the chat box. Well, I never test them. I need to test them and see if they work or not. Because moving the characters away to make a space for the image is a little bit annoying. Every time I made the subtitle here for after a few days, after a month, after a day, after a week, I before I have the micro builder, I just throw random numbers, and there was a certain period of time that they have an issue that they don't show because it's a long story. When I test one, usually I test the same one, then work on the new one, then I load the cutscene from that point. So if when I made a full test and I run one and I run the second one, it doesn't work anymore, and I didn't know why. And all the numbers were different for the position, and yeah, I need to make a table of events by using the export system and go to the script and one by one change all the numbers in there and then import them again. Okay, don't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Good. Oh, I forgot to delete the trash can. Timer? Oh, there's no time. Okay. Oh. 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 The invisible layer is still there, and it holds the last event for the cutscene, but it doesn't. Yeah. Yeah, I need to cut the. I need to cut. Um. Yeah. I need to check the value for the current stop. Did I register it? I doubt that. I can register it in two ways, either locally or externally. So locally, because we are already awake, computer space 1, I could go to the quest and make a script in here to change the local attribute. Wait a second. I didn't make internal increment an internal script as quest function, did I? No, I did not. I did not hit her. I did not hit her. Hi, Mark. Change attribute. Changed. Yeah, I need to add two functions in here for increments and set, so I can do them locally. And I don't need macros for that. Do I? I'm still not sure. Add a local quest tag actions or share for attribute set and attribute increment. Then we register B1. Wait a minute, B1 is a star value for the place. Wait. You called the place, didn't you? No, I just made a micro, I believe. Anyway, what do I need to do next other than this? I need to delete image 1, the trash can. I don't know if it is image 1 or 0 actually. Or the pin. Before that, make the computer spaces invisible in the room as a start. Do I need to know? No, the current place hardcode script should set the things up. And I start doing the continue. Make the computer space invisible in the room in the start. When B1 reached, make the yellow computer space visible. I need to delete the image 1 and remove the invisible layer and stop the conversation and activate the mouse state mouse. I don't know, I forgot what's the term name. So the player can select stuff in the stuff. Save the game and show the boots. Change the boot setting to make it move to the bottom. Add Tamer as a creature in the room. I don't know, maybe I should add him in the map itself and give him the use trigger and yeah. And that's all, folks, for the stream. I will take a walk, maybe something light, even though I drank too much caffeine already. Try to rest, wait for the pray time because it's almost dark. Pray and then 2 hours of today work, 2 hours and something. Thank you for watching and see you next time.